Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the CapCut watermark. So when you open up a project, it just keeps showing up at the end, like this default ending, and even if you delete it and you open up a new project, it's still going to be there. So scroll to where is that button? Well, you'll need to go to the settings tab. Let's just go to your profile. So go to your profile and select the settings tab, the gear icon on the right. Go to add default ending and just turn it off, discard it, and select discard. So whenever you open up a new project, it's not going to be there and you don't need the hassle of just deleting it every single time. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.